What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet, Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. Today, I'm coming at y'all with a brand new HatClub unboxing. Y'all already know what time it is. I'm sure you could tell by the thumbnail. We are here to talk about the HatClub cereal pack. I'm gonna have to give y'all a close-up of the box this time around because there's some really funny details on here. For starters, on the front, it says HatClub cereal pack. You have all of the characters, which are really well done. I don't know who did the artwork. Really cool looking characters on the box. And right above the cereal bowl, it says brand new flavors. And let me tell y'all, those new flavors, we're nothing to play with. A couple of them have to come home. I'm just saying. A lot of those new flavors looked great. It's a very colorful collection, but well executed. And y'all know I love colors. So it was perfect for me. You got the cereal pack hits on the side, but the nutritional facts, that's what we gotta take a look at. So at the bottom of these nutritional facts, most of them are empty. It says blood, sweat, and tears, HatClub, which I thought was a very funny detail because I'm sure it does take a lot of work to put together these collections. They ran back the original, what was it, 6 in the collection, and then added a bunch of new flavors. So I'm sure that took time. It also says, right here in the corner where you would have like some type of, nutritional information on the box or something, it says, I'm not really sure what else to put here. It's not actually cereal. And on the other side, it says net weight. I don't know, I haven't checked. So shout out to whoever's doing the branding because it's definitely on point. But this right here, that's the one. It says, warning, milk does not go before cereal. And that is an absolute fact because you can't trust people who pour milk before cereal. Untrustworthy people. All right, so y'all know the hat is basically like the prize at the bottom of the box. So we're gonna get to that, but first, let's get into these pins. These come with their own mini cereal boxes. So if you purchased a hat from the cereal pack, you will get one of these little mini cereal boxes. There are 4 possibilities. So let's see. Okay, so this is like the O's character who's pouring cereal in his mouth. I like this one because it kind of looks like he has on VZNpins, which I thought was just a funny little detail. He definitely looks like he has on some VZNpins with the cuffed pants. And the next one we have here, let's see. Oh, I'm actually opening this upside down. All right, here we go. Who do we have? All right, so this is the Clover, who looks like he's pouring his milk before the cereal. He's either pouring the milk before the cereal or he's watching somebody pour the milk before the cereal and he can't believe it. So that's 2 of the 4 pin options. Definitely gonna throw those up on my pin board. There's also a spoon in here. It's a green plastic spoon, and of course, we gotta have the cereal. Bam. Chicago Cubs. I believe this one is a stone crown, which I believe might be my first stone crown in the collection. Blue Chicago Cubs front logo, purple outline. Let me give y'all a better look at that. Lime green button on top. Crazy Chicago Cubs 1990 All-Star Game side patch. Like, look at the colors. Look at them. Super nice. Blue. It's like maybe a rose gold or a copper in there a little bit. White, green, purple, red for the Cubs text. Real nice. Tonal Nuera flag. Flat baddie on the back. Green in the middle. Blue in the corner. That same light blue that's on the front. And orange in the opposite corner. Very nice hat. Very nice. And these are made in China, for those of y'all that might be wondering. Let's go ahead and throw the pins on the hat and I can show y'all what that looks like as well. All right, so that is what the pins are looking like on the hat, right around the side patch. Boom. Boom. I am glad that they went ahead and made it a green UV because there's a lot of colors going on. You can run through it one more time. Purple top bill, stone crown, blue Chicago Cubs front logo with the purple outline, lime green button on top, all the colors in that beautiful side patch, flat baddie on the back, tonal new era flag, lots of colors, but I feel like the green UV definitely makes it wearable again, and I could get off a lot of good fits. Speaking of fits, watch until the end of the video to see exactly how I style this hat. I do want to show y'all what the hat looks like curved, so we're gonna pull these stickers off. I have the steamer heating up. The water bottle is next to me. Y'all know the vibes. I'm gonna be right back. And just like that, I am back with a really well curved hat, if I say so myself. Take a look at that. Curve came out pretty good today. Green UV with the white guts was definitely a great choice for this hat. But y'all can see for yourself. I cannot wait to throw this hat on, and it is definitely not the last of the HatClub cereal pack that y'all will be seeing on this channel, because there's quite a few that I need to knock off my hit list, if I'm being honest. If you enjoyed today's video, like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love. Ooh, what are you doing? Why are you picking up the remote? I haven't even finished the outro.
Perfect.